Imagine a hotel carved into the heart of the desert, where nature and luxury collide in the most stunning way possible. Welcome to the Desert Rock Hotel, a one-of-a-kind masterpiece redefining sustainable travel in the middle of nowhere. This isn't just a hotel, it's an experience. Nestled in Saudi Arabia's AlUla region, the Desert Rock Hotel is carved directly into ancient sandstone cliffs. Every detail respects its natural surroundings, making it a true marvel of eco-friendly design. Designed by the award-winning firm Oppenheim Architecture, this hotel harmonizes with the landscape so beautifully you'd think it was sculpted by nature itself. Each room offers panoramic views of the vast desert, allowing you to wake up to breathtaking sunrises and sleep under a blanket of stars. And the best part? It's all done sustainably. From energy-efficient systems to locally sourced materials, this hotel is built with the future in mind. Need to unwind? The Desert Rock Hotel has it all. Luxurious spa treatments, an infinity pool that feels like a desert oasis, and gourmet dining inspired by regional flavors. It's the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. And if you're craving adventure, the surrounding area offers plenty to explore. Take a guided tour of nearby ancient ruins, enjoy a thrilling desert safari, or simply soak in the mystical beauty of the AlUla Desert. The Desert Rock Hotel isn't just a place to stay, it's a destination that invites you to reconnect with nature in the most luxurious way possible. So, are you ready to trade the ordinary for the extraordinary? Book your escape today and discover a side of the desert you never knew existed.